guest this morning loves to run so much she averages about, check this out, 40 to 50 miles a week. So imagine how she felt when pain was in her Achilles. It stopped her dead in her tracks. Luckily, Jana Spencer got game-changing stem cell therapy treatment at NeoGenix. We welcome Jana to the show. Hello, how are you doing? And I am super duper impressed.
Hey, Eugene, I'm doing great. How are you?
All right, I'm doing wonderful. Wonderful. You've been a runner your entire life, but for the past 5 years, you suffer from Achilles pain. I know. What was that like?
Oh, it was just awful. When I woke up in the morning, it was hard. My first step out of bed just was painful and it hurt. And it just made running very uncomfortable, which is my therapy, so I was not happy with that.
So probably just miserable. So you wanted a treatment for your pain that was natural and that was absolutely permanent. That's when you began researching stem cell therapy. You actually were researching it.
That's right. I researched as much as possible because I wanted to make sure that I knew exactly what I was going in for.
All right, so you had stem cell therapy at NeoGenix, all right? How soon did you start to feel better?
I started feeling better. Dr. Altizer, he asked me not to run for a week, which was very hard. I took 3 days off, okay? And then
Say that again, you took what?
3 days off, and then against his suggestion, I started back again, and I couldn't believe how good I felt.
So how is the running going right now? Can you go ahead and hit 40, 50 miles a week?
I can. It's going fabulous. I mean, I'm blown away. I'm really amazed at how well the treatment has done.
Let's bring in Dr. James Altizer now. You treated Jana with stem cell therapy. What exactly is stem cell therapy, sir?
Stem cell therapy is rapidly revolutionizing the treatment of joint pain and arthritis. This is basically the first treatment we've ever had available that can actually slow down the course of arthritis and heal the tissue damage caused by wear and tear, and that's what's actually causing the pain.
You say that it is safe, effective, and proven science. Let's start with safe. What makes it safe?
At NeoGenix, you're going to be seen, examined, diagnosed, and treated by a board-certified physician. The stem cells that we use, adipose or fat tissue, bone marrow, PRP or A2M therapy, they all come from the patient themselves, so there's no risk of blood-borne infections. The one off-the-shelf product we use, Wharton's Jelly, is the safest off-the-shelf product on the market with over 100,000 treated patients without a single adverse event. The other thing that makes this safe is that we use imaging, X-ray, MRIs, or ultrasound to accurately diagnose the problem, and every injection is done with imaging, either real-time X-ray or ultrasound imaging to pinpoint the stem cells to the exact place they need to be.
Well, how effective has this treatment been over the 1,000 patients that you guys have had?
Well, I've been doing this for 5 years, but worldwide, millions of patients have been doing this and have gotten treated with excellent results. Our results show that over 90% of patients get significant improvement in pain and function.
So what type of clinical science evidence is there that stem cells works?
Well, again, millions of patients over a decade of use worldwide. The literature is replete with articles about the safety and effectiveness of this treatment. You can go online and look these articles up just the same way I do, and it's been proven that stem cells can delay the need for joint replacement and can really help patients get their lifestyle back to where they want it to be.
So what sets your clinic apart from others, sir?
Well, again, most other clinics, you will never see a physician. You will never be diagnosed by a physician. You won't be treated by a physician. Most other clinics are using off-the-shelf products that may or may not even have stem cells in them. So at NeoGenix, you're seeing a physician, you're getting diagnosed and treated by a physician, and you're getting real stem cells because they come from you, the patient.
Can you treat all types of pain?
Exactly. Like in Jana's case with an Achilles, I've never had an Achilles tendon that didn't get better. It's phenomenal. But we can do large joints, knees, hips, shoulders, ankles, small joints, thumbs, wrists, toes, facet joints in the lower back. I do a lot of low back cases, and the results are really phenomenal.
All right, what would you say to viewers who are suffering from pain, maybe pain that you had? What would you say to them right now?
I I would say that definitely go talk to Dr. Altizer. He will be honest with you, and he will offer you suggestions on the way that he could help you. And I say just go for it. I mean, it's so much better than being in pain and having downtime of surgery or anything like that.
And you got your life back.
Got my life back.
Call NeoGenix for a free consultation to see if you are a good candidate for stem cell therapy. The consultation can be virtual or in office. The number is 704-727-6551. You can also visit neogenixstemcells.com. Jana, thank you very, very much.
Thank you, Eugene.